Hello, on today's Tidy 10 at 10, we are going to be doing a quick how-to on how to use the Tidy Mind process. So, about this Tidy Mind process, as you know, it has evolved. You may have remembered it in the beginning when I was on the Today Show with Valerie Bertinelli and with Hoda before that, working with this Tidy Mind map. Well, that was just the beginning. That was just the beginning stages of the Tidy Mind process. It has evolved into a much more deeper work that really creates change. I am so happy with the results that I am getting in my life. And now that I'm using it in this new state, in this new phase that it has evolved to with my one-on-one clients, I'm seeing they're like, oh my gosh, this is it. I finally get it. All the stuff that we've been talking about all this time, I now have a context for that. So how the Tidy Mind process started was back in 2015. I was working with Maria Shriver, and I needed something. She's very visual, and she also loves her home. She has a wonderful home inner child that loves things to be beautiful, and so I wanted an analogy that would work for her so that she could use that to see what her mind was doing, to understand her mental tendencies, and then to begin to cope with those and be able to change those. So that's where it began, but now we're in 2022, and now we are working not just with the map and the Tidy Mind house and understanding the Tidy Mind house in that space and the space, the spiritual space outside the Tidy Mind house. Now we're to a place where we're working with the 5 inner children. So let me tell you this. I have made it so you don't have to remember all this, okay? You don't have to remember all this. The only thing you have to remember is to watch a video out of the 3 levels, and I'm about to talk about those, as often as you can. That's it. You don't have to remember all this stuff, what do I do next? All you have to do is watch a video out of each of the 3 levels or the 3 ingredients that it takes to tidy your mind. Now let's start talking about that, okay? The 3 levels of mind to effectively have a change. Let me back up. Those of you who don't know me, I'm Angie Johnson. I am a life coach, a mind coach, whatever you want to call me, and a certified hypnotherapist, as well as a registered nurse who has worked in the psychiatric unit for years. The 3 levels of mind to effectively create change. You have to address the 3 levels of the mind. What are those? The conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. The conscious mind, we are going to call that the focus, which means how we're going to do that, the videos around the focus and the conscious part of the mind are these right here. On Instagram Live, they'll also be uploaded on YouTube. The Tidy 10 at 10 is your level 1. These are the first videos you need to watch. The Tidy 10 at 10, what we're doing right now. Okay? Here, I'm going to be explaining how much time have I got. I'm going to be explaining everything about the process and how to do it and what it means. You don't have to remember anything. Just show up to these. And I'm going to be teaching you step by step about all the inner children. We're going to be talking about their mental habits, their tendencies, how to identify who's doing what, who's sabotaging the body, who is trying to drive the car. We're going to be getting to know them in a way that you have never known yourself before in your entire life. I have never known myself like this. It is so empowering to be able to say, what's going on? What's going on within me? Oh, that's my relationship inner child. Oh, I know her really well. I know what she needs. I know what she needs to hear from me. I know how to take care of her. So that's level 1, focus. And we focus on the Tidy 10 at 10. That's what we're doing right now. Everything will be on Instagram and on YouTube. Follow whichever one that is easiest for you to pull up on your phone or whatever you need to do. I just need you to listen to each 3 levels as often as you can. Don't just listen to one of the levels and not work with the others. We have to work with all 3 levels. The second level, the subconscious mind. How are we going to be doing that? We are going to be clearing the subconscious programs. We're going to be clearing the karmic patterns. And we're going to be breaking those cycles that your inner children tend to get in and healing them from the past. Healing them from all those past wounds that have caused so much problems and so many emotional reactions and keep you trapped in these emotions and sabotage everything. That is level 2. Again, we have to work with all 3 levels. Level 1, tidy 10 at 10. We're going to focus. Level 2, we're going to clear. We have to clear the pain of the past. We have to clear the subconscious programs. We have to clear the karmic cycles. In order to have the overall change that can be possible, we have to work with level 2, which is the subconscious level. Number 3, I got 3 minutes. Level 3, we have to work with the superconscious mind. Now, this is where the magic happens, okay? This is where we begin to learn how to talk to those inner children and give them what they are needing so that they relax and they start manifesting from that relaxed space. This is where you are in co-creation with God, with Source, with the divine plan. This is where you fall into alignment. Again, we have to work with the focus, we have to work with the clearing, and we have to do the love. We can't leave the love out. Level 3 is called love. We have to bring the love in, the total unconditional love, the total self-acceptance of these inner children. We have to give this to them every day. Sometimes at first, multiple times a day. That you have to address them and learn how to talk to them. I'm going to be teaching you how to talk to them in what I call real love conversations. Again, everything will be uploaded on Instagram. Everything will be uploaded on YouTube. Up at the top in my highlights bracket, I've made it super easy for you. Okay? All you have to do, focus, clear, love. You click one of the highlights and it will take you to a video on those topics. So what are we doing? We're going to get to know our inner children in a way, we're going to get to know ourselves as these 5 inner children in a way that we have never known them before. We're going to see who's causing the problems, the disturbances, who needs help. We're going to heal them. That's what we're doing. Then we're going to clear all the pain of the past. We're going to clear up the karmic cycles. And we do that with our Ho'oponopono clearing videos. And then we're going to love. And you're just going to listen to me talk to my inner children. I'm going to give you real life examples of real love conversations that I'm having with my inner children and how I talk to them so that they always know they are completely and totally loved on every level. Completely accepted, completely loved. So what do you need to know? I just said a lot because I was trying to get it in 10 minutes. I just said a lot. What do you need to remember? Nothing. I don't need you to remember anything but one thing. Keep coming back to the 3 sets of videos. The one on focus, the one on clear, and the one on love. And I'll do the rest. I've got this. I've been working with my work inner child. We have this so organized now in our own mind, and we've decided how we want to work and how we want to pour our time and share our gift. And we've got it simplified now. I know I'm going to apologize. I know I try to because it's so much content and it can be so confusing. And my whole goal, my work inner child, is to work in a fun, easy, enjoyable way. But I also want to make it simple for you. I want to make it something that you don't have to be like, oh, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm never going to remember all this stuff. You don't have to, okay? You do not have to remember it. All you have to do is keep coming back, whether it's on Instagram or if it's on YouTube, does not matter to me. It's a playlist on YouTube that says level 1, focus, level 2, clear, and level 3, love. I also have the description of what we're doing in the playlist. You don't have to remember anything. My time is up. Just keep coming back. Tidy 10 at 10, Ho'oponopono clearing videos, and real love conversations. Thank you. Everyone have a beautiful 4th. I'll see you again tomorrow for another Tidy 10 at 10.